Hello students, our topic is function of commercial bank. So commercial banks has a tremendous function, administrative function, suggestion function in an economy. It plays a leading role in the economy, like issues the currency note. It is a authority to issue the currency. All the currencies in the economy is circulated or it is printed by the central bank. You have seen 2 rupees note and onwards up to 2000 rupees note, all the notes are printed by the Reserve Bank, and it guarantees the on the note you have seen, I promise to pay the bearer the sum of that much rupees. It means the Reserve Bank guarantees that currency issued by the Reserve Bank has purchasing power of amount equal to that rupees. The central government or any other authorities are not guaranteed the currencies. Only the central bank of that country authorize. In the America, dollar authorize that it has a purchasing power of that much rupees, which is given to him by Federal Bank of America, not by the American government. So the next function is credit control. Commercial banks create the credit, but on the instruction of Reserve Bank only. The Reserve Bank is the sole authority to control the how much money or the credit should be in the economy. It increases or decreases the credit control, credit creation in the economy by its policy. We will see what are these policies. So if the Reserve Bank thinks that the money supply or the credit creation should be decreased, it decreases. And if he feels that the economy needs the credit creation, it will increase it. It depends upon the Reserve Bank of India. Suppose an example, once HDFC Banks wishes to give a credit in creation to its customer by withdrawal of 1 lakh rupees from ATM. But the Reserve Bank stopped that, because all the policies regarding credit control is governed by the Reserve Bank. So all the commercial banks, if they want to increase or decrease the credit, they have to take permission from the Reserve Bank. Means Reserve Bank controls the credit creation. Next important function is banker of government. Reserve Bank have the deposit and withdrawal for the government. Whenever the government has access money, he keeps in the commercial bank. Whenever the government, state or central, they want money, they take loan from Reserve Bank. Recently, Madhya Pradesh government has taken 3,000 crore rupees loan from the Reserve Bank on different conditions. Before to that, previous government has taken the loan from the government. This 3,000 crore rupees or any amount more than this also, who can pay this amount to the commercial banks? Only to the government, only commercial banks. Commercial banks only pay this much huge amount to the government. No individual body can pay this type of loan to the government. So banker of the government means it deals with the government. Government takes money and keeps the money in the commercial bank. Next function of the Reserve Bank is, it is a banker of banks. Bankers of banks means all the commercial banks, they keep their savings, surplus savings in the Reserve Bank, and on the time of need they take that money or loan from the Reserve Bank. Means Reserve Bank act like a banker of commercial banks. All the banks in the India, their father bank, their primary, their main bank, where they keep their excess money or their money or make the transactions, that is Reserve Bank. The next important function is lender of last resort. Board has asked these questions many times. Lender of last resort means whenever any commercial bank collapsed or became bankrupt, the people's deposit in that bank is gone. Now the bank became bankrupt. So who will pay that loss? Reserve Bank will pay that loss. It will act like a father bank and it will give no harm to that bank or the deposits in that bank. So at the last moment, the Reserve Bank will come and help that bank and the customers deposit in that bank. अगर कोई बैंक, कॉमर्शियल बैंक डूब जाता है, दिवालिया हो जाता है, तो उसमें बैंक का तो पैसा नहीं था, उसमें कस्टमर या कंज्यूमर्स या जनरल पब्लिक का पैसा था, वो पैसा भी डूब जाएगा. तो ऐसे में कॉमर्शियल बैंक की मदद करने के लिए सबसे लास्ट में जो आएगा दैट इज रिजर्व बैंक. इसीलिए वो लेंडर ऑफ लास्ट रिसोर्ट कहा जाता है कि एट द लास्ट मोमेंट इट विल कम. फर्स्ट द कॉमर्शियल बैंक विल find their solutions for coming from that problem, but finally the Reserve Bank will come as a lender of last resort. The next important function is custodial of foreign currency. As I told you, the foreign currency comes in India by the people. That currency is deposited in the commercial bank and then it is exchanged in the Indian currency. The commercial bank has no right to keep that foreign currency. They immediately send that foreign currency to the Reserve Bank. The Reserve Bank is the only authority to keep the foreign currency. So it is a custodian of foreign currency. भारत में जितनी भी विदेशी मुद्रा आएगी, किसी भी माध्यम से आए, शेयर बाजार, पब्लिक, आने वाले लोग, फॉरेनर्स, दैट इज एक्सचेंज ऑन द पोर्ट्स, एयरपोर्ट्स एंड थ्रू बाय कॉमर्शियल बैंक. कॉमर्शियल बैंक उतने इक्विवेलेंट फॉरेन करेंसी का इंडियन करेंसी दे देगी और वो फॉरेन करेंसी तत्काल रिजर्व बैंक के पास पहुंचा दी जाती है. रिजर्व बैंक में ही सारी फॉरेन करेंसी डिपॉजिट रहती है, वो उसका कस्टडियन. तो एक मूवमेंट में किसी भी वक्त में आरबीआई को मालूम रहता है कि हाउ मच फॉरेन करेंसी आई हैव. सो इट इज अ कस्टडियन ऑफ फॉरेन करेंसी. अदर देन दिस फंक्शन, द रिजर्व बैंक मेक सम अदर फंक्शंस. रिजर्व बैंक has a dealing with the foreign exchange rate. Foreign exchange rate को डिसाइड करने में भी रिजर्व बैंक इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है. इस वक्त $1 इक्वल्स टू दैट मच रुपीज़. अगर ये बहुत ज़्यादा हो जाए तो आरबीआई विल कम इन द सीन एंड इट विल कंट्रोल बाय इट्स पॉलिसी कि फॉरेन करेंसी को कंट्रोल कर लेगा. या किसी भी फॉरेन करेंसी के साथ, ये इन चाइना, ऑस्ट्रेलिया, पॉन्ड्स, दिनार, यूएई करेंसी, किसी भी करेंसी के साथ, whenever there is a disbalance and RBI feels that he had to interfere, he will interfere. He deals with the discounting bills of the different banks. See, आप डिफरेंट कॉमर्शियल बैंक्स में ट्रांजेक्शन्स होते हैं. आप सेंट्रल बैंक, स्टेट बैंक से पीएनबी में, पीएनबी से इलाहाबाद बैंक में, इलाहाबाद बैंक से यूनियन बैंक में, यूनियन बैंक से कैनरा बैंक में, डिफरेंट बैंक्स में, गवर्नमेंट और प्राइवेट दोनों बैंकों में बहुत सारे ट्रांजेक्शन्स होते हैं बिल पैसे का, इस पर जो डिस्काउंट्स दिए जाते हैं बिल पर, ये दैट इज डील विद द रिजर्व बैंक। इसके अलावा द रिजर्व बैंक एक्सेप्ट द डिपॉजिट्स विदाउट इंटरेस्ट। बैंक, रिजर्व बैंक में जो पैसा जमा किया जाता है, डिपॉजिट किया जाता है, आप कर रहे हैं तो बैंक उस पर इंटरेस्ट दे भी सकता है, नहीं भी दे सकता। इफ़ इट फील्स कि अब इसको नुकसान हो रहा है तो वो देगा, बट इट इज़ नॉट हार्ड एंड फास्ट टू पे दैट इंटरेस्ट एक्सेप्ट द रेपो एंड रिवर्स रेपो रेट। Other than this, agricultural credit is managed by the RBI also. RBI in India knows that India is an agricultural based country, so agricultural credit, when it is to be provided, how much it should be provided, and what policies it should be provided, it depends, sometime managed by the RBI. Other than this, the Reserve Bank regulates developmental, industrial, commercial activities in India. It makes different types of policies for the Reserve Bank, for the industrial development, for the commercial development, for the other developmental infrastructural development. RBI provides the policies and regulations. Here we have to see what functions does the Reserve Bank should not do, or what are the forbidden activities or the functions by the RBI. RBI या सेंट्रल बैंक क्या क्या फंक्शन नहीं कर सकता। तो फर्स्ट, इट डज नॉट डील्स विद द पब्लिक। रिजर्व बैंक पब्लिक के साथ डील नहीं करता है किसी भी प्रकार की। नाइदर इट एक्सेप्ट्स द क्रेडिट और ग्रांट द लोन। अदर देन दिस, RBI does not provide interest on the deposits. Reverse repo rate and repo rate are the other things. It does not subscribe in the share market. रिजर्व बैंक कभी शेयर मार्केट में सब्सक्राइब नहीं करता है, शेयर डीलिंग्स नहीं करता है, वरना एक ही दिन में पूरी इकोनॉमी बदल सकती है। बिकॉज RBI के पास तो इट इज़ अ अथॉरिटी टू इशू द करेंसीज। इट डज नॉट ग्रांट लोन ऑन द सिक्योरिटीज ऑफ मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी। मूवेबल प्रॉपर्टी पर कोई लोन ग्रांट नहीं करता है। Other than this, RBI does not play any role in the trade and business or industry. It does not deals with the industrial structure. Other than these functions, we have some important topics. Reverse repo rate and repo rate.